Installation. Remove battery from your starter with a 1/2-inch wrench. Wrap the connection with electrical tape. Very important, do not touch metal with your connection. Place a rag under starter to catch any dropped screws. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 3 bolts on the solenoid cap. When you remove the cap, carefully remove the gaskets and apply to the SOS cap. Remove the plunger. Reuse the spring in the SOS plunger. Insert the starter override system straight in. Insert the starter override system straight in. Replace 3 bolts into the cap. Reconnect battery cable, being careful not to touch any metal. Start your bike. It's as easy as that.